little kitty. Augustine. It's time for you to have a bath. It's bath time, kitty.
This would be really good, really bad.
I'll shut the door so he can't run away.
There's no running, kitty. I'm gonna ease you in. Hi, Augustine. It's not so bad.
Augustine.
It's not so bad. Hey.
It's a little claws.
Hey. Augustine, come on. You love this, remember?
It's okay, you
It's
like
warm.
baths.
I'll hold you here and we'll just splash you a little. Oh, no, you don't like it. Hey.
Little kid.
You're so weird. Hey, Augustine.
He's not giving up, is he?
No,
Let go with your little hands, kitty.
it's alright. Hey. Oh no. Augustine, come on now. You look like a rat. Oh. Cat. Hey. Hey, it's alright.
It's okay, Augustine.
It's alright.
Yeah.
It's alright, eh?
See? You like
like it.
buds. Buds are nice.
Maybe yes, pet him and scratch him and calm him
Purr. He's not purring.
down. He's not happy.
You're okay, little cat. We need to get in his fur, don't we?
Yeah, I brought that brush.
I'm going to turn the camera off now. Bye, Augustine. Say bye. Not amused.